Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So late last week, Microsoft rolled out Edge version 118, which is our latest release. And already now, a week later, we have received our first point release update, which rolled out late yesterday in my region on the 18th of October. And as I've mentioned previously, Edge version 117, the previous release, received approximately 8 point release updates. So Microsoft already quick out of the starting blocks, so to speak, and we have already received our first maintenance update. Now, to double check, as always, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And just on a side note, another way you can actually get to the About page to check for updates is just to head to your profile, in case you're unaware, click on the gear icon, and then head down to About Microsoft Edge. Now, the latest version in bold, 118.0.2088.57, that point release bumped up from 0.46 to 0.57. And once again, this maintenance update, as always, addresses various bugs and performance issues. And these maintenance updates are common for Microsoft to roll out between major version upgrades. So if you have experienced any issues in the browser since upgrading to version 118 last week, then just double check your browser is up to date. Now, something else to take note of, this point release also includes a feature update. And I did mention this in the video I posted on the upgrade to version 118 last week, and I'll leave that video down below, where now, as Microsoft did say, in an up-and-coming update, which is now rolled out, the icon change in the Edge sidebar has now become available, where the Bing icon entry point in the Microsoft Edge sidebar has been changed to the new Copilot icon. And over and above the icon being changed, there are no other changes to the actual Bing chat in the sidebar. It's just a cosmetic change to the Copilot icon. And also, if you refresh or reload your chat or the Bing chat in the side panel, we can also see that icon change. So there we go. That now has rolled out as Microsoft said it would, and looking very similar to the Copilot icon, the Windows Copilot for desktop for Windows 11. Just looking a little bit more like Microsoft Edge with those blue colors. And I actually personally think that is a nice move in the right direction. I think that looks a lot better. And obviously now Microsoft just trying to collate everything, because obviously now you get your Copilot for the web, and we get our Copilot now, the Windows Copilot for desktop. So that's Edge version 118.0.2088.57, and this latest point release, as mentioned, rolled out on the 18th of October. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.